Welcome back. It's time for the second series of the SVI shoot-through episodes. For the first series, we used AK-47 to shoot car components. But for the second series, we're doing something different. Jaco, what are we doing?
This time we're doing it a bit different. What will happen if you get out of your car? What components around the vehicle on the street can keep you safe? We'll be testing it in different calibers. We'll start with a 9mm, then we'll go to the 223, and then we'll do a special series on 50 cal. Nicole, what's first?
I think many of us had this fantasy. When your laptop is slow, you want to kill it. So today, we will actually kill a laptop. But on a more serious note, if you get out of your vehicle, we all got laptop these days, can this be used as a ballistic shield?
I have no idea. Let's go shoot it.
As expected, the slow laptop had no resistance against 9mm. But Jaco, you want to do something else?
Yes, to comply with SVI data protection protocols, we have to destroy it completely.
So this is Boxshot versus laptop. I'm actually surprised. The laptop is pretty much still intact, not what we expected. I think the data still need to be destroyed properly. So Jaco is going to fetch something else. That was very impressive. A magazine dump, 9mm. I think the data is sort of destroyed. Jaco, what do you think?
I reckon it won't switch on again.
Yeah, I think it's probably time for a new laptop. Hey, there you go. If you want to protect yourself, a laptop won't do it. Rather buy a SVI armored vehicle.